At 20 years of age, I'm still looking for a dream. A war's already waged for my destiny. But you've already won the battle, and you've got great plans for me.
3, make sure you're breathing and don't hold those lips together. We're gonna jump on the top. Okay. So your hands are gonna go down, back, in, up. Down, back, and up. Now, if you feel like you're gonna fall off the back, we'll switch it up. 3, now jump up. Good. Now what I don't want you to do is to jump on the back of it. I want you to jump right on the top of it. If you jump on the back, it's gonna ricochet you back. Okay. I want you to be in control. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Can I jump down?
I want you to squat and it's like you're gonna catch a basketball.
Okay.
Okay? Here we go. 1, 2. Bring those feet close. Yes. 2, but give me a deeper squat. Boom. Nice. Get ready, get those hands up and get ready to catch something. 9.
When I was just a girl, I thought I had it figured out. See, my life would turn out right, and I'd make it here somehow. But things don't always come that easy, and sometimes I would down. Oh, 'cause I got a couple dents in my fender, got a couple rips in my jeans. Try to fit the pieces together, but perfection is my